30 must-know Excel functions and formulas. Excel is a powerful tool that is widely used in various industries for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data. By understanding and mastering key Excel functions and formulas, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and make better informed decisions based on data insights. Must-know Excel function. Sum. This function adds up a range of numbers. Average calculates the average of a range of numbers. VLOOKUP searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from another column. IF allows you to perform logical tests and return different values based on the result. Count counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Must-know Excel formulas. PMT calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. Len returns the length of a text string. Trim removes extra spaces from a text string. Concatenate combines multiple text strings into one. Today returns the current date. Now returns the current date and time. Left/right extracts a specified number of characters from the left or right side of a text string. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering Excel functions and formulas is crucial for anyone working with data on a regular basis.